Hey guys, this is Annalise. I am down here at Cars Subaru in Beaverton. Thank you for clicking on that link. This is your virtual tour for a 2009 BMW 335i, stock number SP3370. This vehicle is in excellent condition. It has tinted windows, satellite radio, moonroof, a nice leather interior. It is a 6-cylinder twin turbo, 3.0 liters, automatic 6-speed with overdrive and Steptronic. Plenty of cargo space in the back. Navigation system, power door locks, power windows, cruise control. For more information on this vehicle or any vehicle in our inventory, please give us a call on the number listed above or send us an email. Also, contact us about our daily internet pricing. Thank you and make it a great day.